human rights of the population. I will also talk briefly about the Myoga program, because I hear so many people talking about the Myoga, but I think they need some information. And then I will also talk briefly about the vaccines. But before I talk about that, those three, I need to inform the people who I saw on the road. I have been to Nakasongora recently,